Akwat nu esishak kangun kesi aponi itolong nai akaulona angetakin esabite diopet kotoma Aitopolorit.
VTI, guard number 15 VTI. Yeah, you can see.
Aruchokin tonai napeta nuka patriotism koibuga soroti Fred Okiror nyesi aja munebe epote iponesho nu esishak Eyaitene.
Because of such training, it has reduced strikes in schools. Children are disciplined. This training has changed the life of children. We have been lagging behind. Elgon region is ahead. Busoga region is ahead. But I want to assure you now, we are going to be ahead of them.
Aitolomuno na esishaka kangun neseja munebe ebuni aitidisar abilibilio na ikisila kotoma osemeroi David Omali Apollo Kinton esemero lolila high school ngesi abuilip alomunak kotoma ainapetanuka patriotism anyinebe ibwaikirete kesi achoana adomotu toma aswamishoit.
And one of the things that you must note as you are being passed out today is that you must, as a patriot, you must, as a citizen of Uganda, learn to love yourself. And if you love yourself, you should be able to appreciate and also love your neighbor, the one who is very close to you, and also at the end of the day be able to love your country.
That is it. That is guard number 5. Uganda College of Aboliasio.
Eyaitene kwape epejonono angosi bi Oscar Agecha loda ewei aina petanuka polisin kokokioga ngesi lipit esishak around luda mam itosomaete aichoana dumutu kanu aitonyoma itunga ochaloi
of Uganda. So which means patriotism is more than love for oneself, but love for the country. Love for the country includes and means friends, family, your school, and serving generally. Because the concept of when some people think about when they say country, they think of it in an abstract way. Country means me, all of us seated here, the pitch you are using, what you do, how you act. That is your country.
Aitolomna na eshishar kangun nesikwana etodolena ba loda lomunak ilukuminito monare koibuga soroti apuga nesitolosi aina petanu aitolom eshisha kotoma aina petanu ka patriotism kwape ipone loda ejecteri tunga around loda eminasa kwa Gabriel Esikukanuka TV East.